Yeah, friends, welcome to Professionals with Passion. Today we are going to cover Smart Factory. What is Smart Factory? What are the technologies involved in Smart Factory? And what are the advantages of Smart Factory? Yeah, friends, what is Smart Factory? Smart Factory is smart. Why it is smart? An interconnected network of missions. In this picture, we are able to see all the missions are interconnected and communication mechanism. Here we are having the communication mechanism from different things so each and everything like from the booking of the product to delivery of the product, so everything is getting connected smartly. That's why it is called as smart factory. And people, machines, everything we are seeing here. And using the smart factory cyber physical system and uses advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning to analyze data. That's why it is called smart factory. So in this generation, in this 20th century, and smart factories are necessary. So within fraction of seconds, we are getting the customer order, and delivery also we are showing the smartphone. So when it is going to deliver, the product is going to deliver. So a customer is expecting the things in fraction of seconds. That's why every factory, all traditional factories are shifting towards smart factories. So what are the technologies required for a smart factory? We will discuss in the next slide. So these are the main criteria, why we are going for traditional factory to smart factory towards customer success. Yeah, friends, here I'm discussing about the technologies which are required for converting traditional factory into smart factory. So here I'm only discussing about few technologies. There are many technologies which are essential for converting normal traditional factory into smart factory. So if you are having these many technologies, we can call that factory is a smart factory. So few factories are using all these technologies, and few factories are using any one or two or three or different technologies. But the main motto of the technology is to our main motto of smart factory is reaching the sending the product from factory to the end customer smartly. So cloud connectivity is one of the technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, industrial internet of things, digital twins, additive printing, virtual reality and augmented reality, blockchain, modern database, RPA, robotic process automation. These are the different technologies which are required for converting traditional factory into smart factory. Here I just discussed about technology names only. In future, I will try to provide in detail information about these technologies. Okay, we have seen the technologies, smart factory technologies and smart factory. But what are the benefits of smart factory? So here I'm providing few benefits. So by using smart factory, the efficiency will be increased, productivity will be increased, so we can maintain the product quality and based on the customer experience, and we can reduce the waste as well. So these are the few benefits by converting traditional factory into smart factory. Thank you so much, and I will try to discuss something about technologies, smart factory technologies in future. So you can comment which technology you wanted to know about, so that I can concentrate on that technology. Thank you so much. Thanks for reaching. Thank you so much.